Monument Valley is located on the Utah-Arizona border. It is known by its prominent rock formations that have been featured in many Western movies. Years ago, you could drive yourself and go do your own tour. Now you have to visit with a guide. If you can't book a trip, there's a lot more to see in this area. So I'm gonna show you 6 different day trips you could do from Monument Valley. So let's get started. In no particular order, number 1 on the list is Valley of the Gods. It's located just north of Mexican Hat, and it has very similar rock formations to those that you find in Monument Valley. You can camp, you can drive at your own pace, you can bring your bike, you can do pretty much anything you like, and you can have an adventure of your own. Number 2, Mexican Hat. Just across the San Juan River, north of Monument Valley, you will find the small town of Mexican Hat. There's food, there's fuel, but just north of this town, you'll find this rock, and this is where the town got its name from. You can see it from the road, but it is much better appreciated up close. A lot of people like to climb it, they camp. There's many things you can do around this rock, which everything here is rocks. This area is all about the rocks, so why not visit this one? Coming in at number 3 is Goose Neck State Park. It has a $5 day use. It's a great place to camp or just to spend a couple of minutes. The view of the San Juan River is amazing, and even though this picture is far from perfect, an aerial view is the best way to appreciate something like this. It'll give you an idea of how this river has eroded the landscape here. Number 4 is Moki Dugway, or Utah Scenic Route 261. This is a windy canyon road that has literally been carved right out of the face of the cliff. It connects Utah Highway 163 with Highway 95. There's places to pull over and get amazing views of Valley of the Gods and also the San Juan River Canyon. Continue north on Highway 261 and you will reach the next point in this list. Number 5, Natural Bridges National Monument. 3 giant natural bridges and hikes that will leave you in awe. There's native history, cliff dwellings, and things that will make you wonder not only how, but why. It is a 9-mile loop road that you can drive in a day, or you can also camp here. You can experience the peace and quiet of Cedar Mesa and just look at the topography of this area because it's completely different than what's down below the canyon. And again, I'm wondering why. Why would you build a house on the side of a cliff? Number 6, the House on Fire. This is in Mule Canyon located in Cedar Mesa. This is a relatively short hike. It's only about a mile up the wash, and it takes you to the ruins left behind by the Pueblo Indians. The Pueblo Indians lived here 2,500 to 700 years ago. House on Fire gets its name from the way the rocks resembles a flame. The way the shadows and the texture looks, it just looks like literally the roof is on fire. The roof is on fire. Someone told me if I would have kept going up the canyon a little bit more, I would have found more ruins. I didn't know this until I came back to the car, so that's something I want to do next time. And just as a bonus tip, just outside driving north of Monument Valley, you will find Gump Hill. There's lots of road signs that says do not stop and don't park, but there's also pull-offs and parking spots. And there's lots of warnings for drivers, so be careful if you want to go to the famous Gump Hill and take your picture, take your selfie. Early morning is the best time to go. It's less crowded and you can get a picture with the road leading up to the mountains. I think this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Charles Wollertz. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you on the next video. Bye. 6 different areas surrounding this. Charles Wollertz. My channel is Wollertz Subscribing. Don't forget to give it. I might use or might not use that. It's in 6 individual adventures. Am I doing audio? Yeah. Did I turn this one on? No.